Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your chat while you are in a game. So first of all, you need to open your Discord, and it's important to say that's work for your computer or for your score in mobile. The process is the same. So first of all, click here to go to your settings, and here in settings scroll down and you will see this activity settings, and in activity settings you will see game overlay. Just click on it, and in that screen here you see the option of game overlay. Probably you are enabled, so you see that to enable that option, click here and turn it on green. Here you can choose a keybind to your game overlay. You can choose your avatar size, you can choose your display names and your display users, and you can choose the position of your game overlay here as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.